Hello, dear friends. We've recently posted our top 12 trading signals, complete with detailed trade setups. Each signal includes clear entry points, stop-loss levels, and target prices, helping you trade with more confidence, better structure, and smarter risk management. You can try our tester plan for only $10 per month and check the results for yourself. If you're satisfied, you can upgrade anytime. Find the link in the description or comments below. Join our growing community. Let's learn, trade, and grow together. And as always, please do your own research. This is not financial advice.